Okay, so a student is asking a question regarding the apex placement in menswear. Welcome to another episode of Ask Nino Via. You got questions in fashion designing, I've got answers. Let's go. Okay, so the question is, when it comes to making patterns for men's clothes, menswear, is the apex placement the same as women's clothes? Well, first of all, obviously menswear and women's wear start with a different pattern, a different sloper. What's a sloper? A pattern, basically. Think of it this way. Imagine a women's croquis versus a men's croquis, right? Visualize that, they're different. Well, let's start with, generally speaking, men's don't have busts, right? But, however, they do have a bust level. In other words, if I was doing a men's jacket and you wanted to do a fitted jacket, you would need some darts, right? Some fisheye dart. What's a fisheye dart? Well, it goes from 0 to something and then back to 0. That's a fisheye dart. Well, that fisheye dart would have to be just about below, and this is menswear now, below your apex level, your bust level. Right below your bust level is where the dart would finish in menswear. But again, in menswear, generally speaking, there is no bust. So you have to keep that in mind. So my suggestion is to start with a men's sloper, a men's pattern. If you don't have that, go to your nearest local fabric store. Chances are they do carry patterns. Ask for a general men's pattern. It's a very basic one, like for a jacket, and then, modify it and change it and so on and go from there. Okay? Hope that helps. See you next time.